Hi, it's JoElla, Milan licensed esthetician, and I'm going to talk to you about firming your neck. You know, as we age, and even when you're younger, your neck shows aging, I think, before anything does. And first of all, let me say, I carry some of the very best masks on my website. I've carried them for years. I know how they work. They're enzyme masks. I don't think there's anything on the market as good. There's things that are similar, but I'll give you different variations of what you can purchase, either a kit or my kit. I have a kit, which is an ultra firming mask that I call it the super duper whooper because it really firms. And then I've got other variations of different kits, and these masks work. And you get enough in there that you could keep using them. They don't just come in the little thing that like a one-time use. You have plenty that you can continue on with your mask. So what I've done, I've already put it on half of my half here. This half, I don't have anything. But when it dries, it gets very firm. And that's part of the trick. So what I want to show you is what I did. You can use this on your whole face, absolutely. But for those of you that just want to worry about your neck sometimes, you can just do this for... you know, if you're in a hurry or you've got something to do. So I already have it mixed up. You want it to be like a paste. And then when you apply it, I always say go up. You can go up. You know, you could go, you want to get it in there. So go up here. And then also, you know, in your jowl area, you can go under there where the jowls are. And you're going to leave this on 20 to 30 minutes. The longer, the better. It gets a little, as it firms, it gets a little, not itchy, but it just gets, you're very aware that it's firming. I'm hitting this area here. But now, what I suggest to my customers, because this is cumulative, so let's say that you need to go somewhere special. You want to start this a little bit earlier. Let's say you have a wedding in a week or two. Start it now. And you could do it as many times as you want. There's nothing harmful in here, but you'll see a difference after the first time you use it. And I always say you'll see a better difference the next day. And what you want to do is put this on, and again, if you want to make some good progress in there, put it on every 2 or 3 days, or maybe during the first week, do it maybe 2 or 3 times. But as you get the results that you like, you can do it once a week or once every 10 days, and it'll keep it up. And I've had clients that have had double chins, or different areas that they've really had a problem with. And with continued use of this, it works because it actually massages the muscles. You know, see, my neck looks like I'm 100 years old. And I've got other videos with my mask that you could see. But it's just so great. So, and then also, you could do that. Let's say if you have issues with your eyes, under your eyes. So you could do that in the morning. And I'm just talking about spot treating right now, not doing the whole face, but, you know, go under the eye area and leave it on for, you know, till it gets hard, and maybe 5 or 10 minutes or something. And you're going to see a nice difference from it. But this is such a great, I don't like the word anti-aging. This is a great pro-aging look for your neck, and you want to keep it up. So the other trick now, I put this side pretty much is dry. This side I just did. But now when you want to take it off, the easiest way to do it, you want to wet your cloth and just lay it on here for a minute to get it nice and wet. And you could even, you know, do it on your chest. You know, if you have wrinkles there, you could put this anywhere you want. But, you know, again, this video is just addressing spot treating. you know, if you're in a hurry or you want to take care of the issue. But see, the wetter this is, the easier it starts coming off. I just love this. And this is not like a little lightweight mask. This is like, this gets it done. You know, because there's masks out there that firm and you'll look good for the day that you're using it. But this will, like I said, become cumulative if you do it more and then you keep it up. It's not going to be cumulative in the fact that if you do it 1 or 2 times and then never do it again, that's not what it is. But as long as you use your products. See, now I've taken it off the side that I did that dried. This side's not dry yet. And now, see, I'm a little bit red, but that's from the enzymes in it. And then also from rubbing with this. But, you know, that's going to go away. And then just put on your favorite moisturizer, serum, or whatever you want, just to hydrate the skin. But it's like giving yourself a facelift, you know, just perking it up. And I guarantee you that you're going to see, I shouldn't say guarantee, I feel confidently that you're going to see results and be happy with it. I know that's another question I get. When you lose weight, and not like a huge amount, but even 20, 30 pounds, and if your face gets a little loose in here, use this. Because I've done that. I know a couple years ago I lost, I lost about 30 pounds, and I could see my face kind of drooping a little bit. I did a mask and it just firmed it all up again. So, but see, it looks so good. I love it. And I'm going to put the links down below for you, you know, with, again, the different ones that you could see. But this is so great for you. And if you have any questions, I always tell you, you can call me on my toll-free number. You can send me an email, and I'm really happy to help you. And I highly recommend these. This works. You know, I like products that work. I'm not into just selling what's popular, and I don't like foo-foo products that smell good and don't do anything. I like products that work, and this works. So, look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.